Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
For years, mankind has looked up at the stars, but in many ways, there is a world just as fascinating below us as there is above us. Beneath our feet, lying under the surface of the Earth, is a whole world of mysteries and strange phenomena. A second hidden core within the core, diamonds churned out by the dozen, the leftover signs of Earth's cosmic travels, these are just some of the treasures lying within. And perhaps most mysterious of all is that there is still so much more unknown down there. Who knows what else scientists might uncover in years to come. Related, top 10 things you should know about asteroid collisions with Earth. 10 Subterranean Galapagos, an ecosystem bimming with life. There's a subterranean biosphere hiding in the Earth's crust, and it's massive. Beneath the surface of the Earth, there lies an enormous ecosystem, and it is chock full. As revealed at the American Geophysical Union's 2018 meeting, billions of tiny bacteria, archaea, and eukarya exist among a smorgasbord of subterranean life. Around 70% of all Earth's microbes dwell down there, far more than the scientists involved in the study had anticipated finding. There are even suggestions that the diversity of life in this subterranean Galapagos may be greater than there is here on the surface. Our studies of deep biosphere microbes have produced much new knowledge, but also a realization and far greater appreciation of how much we have yet to learn about subsurface life, explained Rick Colwell, a microbial ecologist at Oregon State University. For example, scientists do not yet know all the ways in which deep subsurface life affects surface life and vice versa. And, for now, we can only marvel at the nature of the metabolisms that allow life to survive under the extremely impoverished and forbidding conditions for life in deep Earth. 9. The core of the Earth. Major evidence for another structure inside Earth's core. Earth's inner core has it. Experts first theorized about this mysterious body in 2002 and have since proved its existence on several occasions. Before that, it was thought that our planet was made of 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, and the outer and inner core. But now scientists can add the innermost inner core to that list, although very little is known about it. To find out more, scientists are studying the ripples caused by large earthquakes. The team, from the U.S. Department of Energy's Advanced Photon Source, APS, used specialized technology to mimic the extreme conditions of the planet's core. Scientists from the APS decided to investigate what happens when carbon, water from the minerals, and molten iron from the core combine under extreme conditions. As it turns out, the water and iron react to create oxides and hydroxides, similar to how metal rusts here on the surface. But the one difference is that the liquid melting pot may transform all that carbon into diamonds. But thanks to the European Space Agency, ESA, and their satellite project Swarm, we now know a little more about our planet's internal happenings. By analyzing data collected by Swarm, scientists at the ESA found an entirely new type of magnetic wave. Measurements of the magnetic field from instruments based on the surface of Earth suggested that there was some kind of wave action, but we needed the global coverage offered by measurements from space to reveal what is actually going on. 4. 6 hallmarks of Earth's galactic travels. How Earth REALL. Some of the material is thought to slam into Earth, striking at 32.3 miles per second, 52 kilometers per second. Evidence of these high-energy impacts remains preserved in tiny crystals in the crust, enabling geologists to plot the planet's course across the cosmos. In a 2022 study, researchers at the American Geophysical Union demonstrated just how much helium-3 gas is emitted from the heart of the planet. Helium-3 is most often created in enormous, rotating disks of gas and dust known as solar nebulae. Many astronomers believe that the solar system was born inside a solar nebula, and this newfound evidence suggests that Earth could have been too. It's a wonder of nature, explained lead author Peter Olson, and a clue for the history of the Earth that there's still a significant amount of this isotope in the interior of Earth. 6. Fourth giant river under Antarctica. Enormous river, discovered beneath Antarctica, is nearly 300 miles long. Deep B. Scientists uncovered the behemoth water feature using an aircraft-mounted radar system. Aerial surveys revealed the gigantic river to run beneath the Antarctic ice sheets and drain into the Weddell Sea. Now we are starting to understand there are whole systems down there, interconnected by vast river networks, just as they might be if there weren't thousands of meters of ice on top of them. 7. 3 hidden zone uncovered beneath tectonic plates. Scientists find strange, unidentified structure hidden. So say scientists from the University of Texas, who unearthed the elusive zone in a 2023 study into the asthenosphere. This newfound layer is part of the upper mantle, lying around 100 miles, 161 kilometers, under the surface. The discovery of this Goliath waterway began in 2014 when U.S. scientists deployed thousands of seismometers to measure the signals from some 500 earthquakes. This mineral can contain a lot of water under conditions of the deep mantle. 10. Fact checked by Darcy Heikkinen. Thanks for watching. Credits to listverse.com. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.